up guys, here we are with the Redmi 9A budget friendly phone. Today we are going to unbox it and review this phone. So without further ado, let's get it started. On the box it is mentioned as 8500 for this phone, but actually you can get it for 6800 to 7000 from Amazon store. So it comes with a drop notch display and 5000 mAh battery with Helio G25 with Hyper Engine 1.0 enhanced gaming performance. It's also mentioned that it's splash proof nano coating, AI scene detection, 3D curved back, and 2 GHz Octa-core processor. So let's open it up and let's check it out what we get in the box. So here we can see the phone itself. Let's keep this aside and see what else we get in the box. Okay, here we have some user manuals and guides provided by the company. That's pretty much it, what you're going to get in this. And next, here we have the SIM ejector tool. So this is a SIM ejector tool. Let's keep this aside. And here is a 10-watt fast charger provided in box to charge the 5000 mAh battery. The charging cable comes with a micro USB port, not the type C cable. This is a micro USB cable, which is a bit of a letdown. And the phone weighs around 196 grams approximately, and comes with a LCD display with 400 nits. Size is 6.5-inch display, and the resolution is 720 into 1600 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, with 269 pixel per inch. This cable looks good. Let's open the phone from the cover. The back looks really good. It has that gradient design, the matte finish, which gives the phone a really aesthetic look. And also there is a laminated screen guard, which is very easy to remove. Let's remove it. It comes with a MediaTek Helio G25 chipset with octa-core processor. So let's turn this phone on and check it out. It also comes with a 3.5mm headphone jack. It has a power button and a volume rockers on the side. Let's turn this phone on. So yeah, it's turning on. And front facing selfie camera is of 5 megapixel with f2.2 aperture. And there is no NFC in this. There is a FM radio present in this. And sensors, we have only accelerometer sensor and a proximity sensor. So yeah, here it is on. You can see the phone. The display is really nice for the price we are paying it. It's really smooth and nice to scroll on this phone. You can see a single mono speaker on the bottom of the phone, along with a noise cancel, along with a microphone and a micro USB port. On top we have a headphone jack. 3.5mm headphone jack is on the top of the phone. The LCD display of this phone is really nice. And it also comes with the dark mode and the light mode. You can switch between either of those modes, which you can access from the notification panel. Now let's check out the SIM slot. Here the SIM slot is available with the 2 Nano-SIM and 1 microSD card. You can insert into it. It's not a hybrid SIM, which is really a good thing. And this also has a rubber coating at the end to prevent any water splashes from entering inside the phone and ruining it. Let's put it back. And this also comes with the Android 10, MIUI 12 out of the box. And there's also a lot of bloatware available on this phone, which you can easily uninstall it, which is a bit annoying. Here you can see the Android 10 out of the box. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions regarding this phone, you can let me know in the comments down below. I'll try to answer it. And do comment, like, share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.